Choose.
Hi, I'm April Autumn Sparks.
And today we want to talk to you about the Obsidian Luxe Group's Black Love AlgoRHYTHM retreat.
The Black Love AlgoRHYTHM.
That says something.
Yeah, it does. And when we think about like a rhythm, a flow, a vibe, right?
Yeah.
When people are together, if we're talking about sustainable, healthy relationships, we want to be able to vibe with each other, to get on beat with each other.
Now, what is, for those who don't know, the Black Love AlgoRHYTHM retreat?
So the Black Love AlgoRHYTHM is an opportunity for singles, couples, friends who are interested in finding out how to have a sustainable relationship. What we're doing is coming together for the Black Love AlgoRHYTHM retreat to give resources and give information on how to build a loving, lasting relationship. And if you're a single, how to gain a partner to have that kind of relationship if the goal is marriage. So for right now, we have 2 dates. The first date is for the Houston, Texas area, and that date is Saturday, July 6th. The second date is for the Raleigh-Durham area, and that date is for Saturday, July 13th.
For more information, you can definitely log on to our website at www.theobsidianluxegroup.com. There you can sign up and possibly get you 2 free spots to both events.
Yeah, so we're excited that you'll come out.
And we definitely hope to help you find your rhythm.